Hello elegant ladies and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rafaela and every Tuesday I post videos about elegance, beauty and personal development. So if you want to learn how to become more elegant, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In this video, I want to teach you how to walk on high heels, especially if you are a beginner. If you have never walked on high heels before, I recommend you to start with a lower heel. Don't jump straight to 12 centimeters heels. Start with 5 to 7 centimeters and increase the height of the heels as you get used to them and gain more confidence. Chunky heels are also a more comfortable option than stilettos, so I advise you to choose this kind of heels in order to begin your learning process. Heel to toe. This is probably the most important lesson of all. Start by putting your heel on the ground first and after that comes the toe. This is very important to remember because if you are used to wearing flats, I am sure that you have the tendency to put your whole foot down at once. But when wearing high heels, it's different, so remember, heel first and then toe. Make small steps. It's quite hard to do big steps when walking on high heels, so if you want to walk elegantly, don't force yourself and try to make smaller steps than you normally do. This will also prevent you from walking with your knees bent, which doesn't look good at all, but I will talk about this a little bit later. Also walk slowly, don't hurry. Especially in the beginning, take your time so you can walk gracefully and not look ridiculous. If you follow my previous tip and make smaller steps, then walking slowly will come naturally to you. Get used to walking on high heels by exercising. This is also a very important tip. If you put high heels on for the first time, don't expect to walk gracefully immediately. Walk in high heels at home as much as you can before taking them outside your house. Pay attention to your posture. Keep your back straight and also straighten your legs as you walk. Don't keep your legs straight all the time as a stick. Bend your knees normally. Just make sure to have straight legs when you make a step forward. This way you will walk elegantly on high heels. So these are my tips on how to walk on high heels, especially if you are a beginner. I hope you found this video interesting. If so, don't forget to press the like button. Also subscribe and help this channel grow. You can also find me on my Instagram page, The Elegant Lady. Thank you so much for watching, ladies, and I'll see you in my next video.